Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the tail light, brake light, turn signal light on GMC Terrain. So it will be about the same procedure for the whole generation. And we're going to demonstrate on the outside light. Okay, as you can see here, the one right here. It's the same for left and right side, guys. We're demonstrating on the left side, but it will be identical. So now right here you have two caps. And as you can see, there is a notch right there. So if you stick the screwdriver, you can open the cap. Just be careful not to break them. You need to press in a little bit and pull out. And now what you need is either a 10mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver, and you need to remove these two screws all the way. They're not usually very tight, so you can use the screwdriver because they're not even bolts. They're screws and they screw in kind of like in plastic. We will show you. Okay, now the bottom one. So it's not very complicated procedure. You will not need any special tools or anything like that. You can do it yourself, no problem. Okay, right there. Alright guys, after you remove the bolts, you need to push on this side a little bit to get out of the, as you can see, that guide there. And now you need to pull a wad right here, grab it really tight and pull to the back. They tend to get stuck if never been removed. That glide right here, as you can see, it gets really stuck. So if you need to replace the bulbs now, what you need to do, just turn to the counterclockwise, about 30 degrees, that's the bulb, and you just grab it and pull it out. Okay, and this is the bulb, guys. That's the original factory Sylvania right here, and this is the number 3057. Okay, and what you need to do now, just get the new bulb and push it back in. It goes only, you can see, one way until it clicks. Now go find the slots. It fits only one way, so you need to make sure everything lines up and turn clockwise. And if you need to remove the whole tail light, what you need to do, you just need to unhook the wires right here and you're ready to pull it out. Okay, pretty simple procedure. And now you need to make sure everything lines up and push it back in until it clicks like that. Okay, get the bolts tight, put the caps, and that's the whole procedure. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.